So, hi everyone. We are in Developer Beginner Trail and we are going through this first one, Unlock Business Success with Salesforce Data Platform. We will directly go to the channel challenge. Okay. I've already explained whatever was written above in my previous video. Uh, this video will go through the challenge directly. So we click on launch. What we need to do here, we need to add a custom field to contact object. Okay. So I hope you watched my previous video to like open and import data for Dreamhouse app. We just added the package ID given in this here. See, yeah, this you need to paste and install the package and do. I have already explained it in the previous video. We go through that, but I'm just letting you know that you go through these and you will get that app. So I have it. Let's go to the challenge. So you need to add new field to contact object. So here in this app, go to setup. From here, click on object manager. From here, which object we have to make changes in? Contact object. So we'll search contact. Give us contact. We have to add new field. So we'll go to fields and relationships. Add. Click on new. What type of field it is? We will go object. It's a currency data type. Okay. So I'll just copy this also so that I don't have to come back here. The currency type. So we will go and click on currency. First of all, we select the data type. That's how I clicked on currency. Then next, field label, we will paste it here. Loan amount. No description needed for now. Click on next. Next. The field level security, we don't have to change anything. Just click next and save. So this is saved now. Check challenge. Go on 500 points. Yeah, it's fine. Yay.